Ndewo. Hi, I'm Yvonne Mbanefo, and this is another one of my mini videos showing an Igbo word, Mkpotu, in my book, Okowaokwu Igbo Umuaka, Igbo Dictionary for Children. Today's word is Mkpotu, noise or commotion. Mkpotu, noise or commotion. Mkpotu, noise or commotion. Ha niile na-eme oke mkpọtụ. Ha niile na-eme oke mkpọtụ. They are all making a lot of noise. Ha niile na-eme oke mkpọtụ. Ha niile na-eme oke mkpọtụ. They are all making a lot of noise. Mkpọtụ, noise or commotion. Mkpọtụ, noise or commotion. Anyway, this is the Igbo word for today. I'm Yvonne Mbanefo, and this has been another one of my mini word videos. You can find well over 1,140 more words and sample sentences in the book Okowaokwu Igbo Umuaka, Igbo Dictionary for Children, now available at Amazon and also on Amazon Kindle. Don't forget to connect with us online at the main social media platforms, and you can also get more information about this book on www.igbodictionaryforchildren.com. Komesia. See you soon.